Tia, tea, and topic video. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tia Topics. I am Tia and today's topic is hair. So today I'm going to be doing my first ever wash and go. Really, it's a condition and go because I did not wash my hair. I only conditioned it because I don't want my color to come out. I'm feeling a little lazy and that's why I'm doing this wash and go. I've never done this before. We're gonna see how it comes out. I'm hoping that my curls are very defined and no frizz and for all that good stuff. But we're gonna find out. To ensure that I get that outcome, I have purchased a couple of new products that I'm very excited to use. So to start, I'm gonna be using Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activation Cream. The next new product that I'm going to be trying out is this Eco Styler Gel. This is a new formula. It is curl and wave for all curly textures. Defines, pattern, moisturize, no flake, no tack, anti-itch. We shall see. And of course, I'm going to be using 100% coconut oil, my SheaMoisture brand that I usually use to lock in all my moisture after I put in the curl activation cream. A couple of other things that you're going to need at hand is a spray bottle, some scrunchies or a clip. I have my diamond brush here. I'm going to use it for the shorter part of my hair because I'm not sure that I'll be able to achieve really good curls with just my fingers alone on the part that I have cut over here. And if all else fails, I'm going to be using my sponge to get the curls if the diamond brush does not work. So because my hair is recently dyed and I don't want it to get on my fingers or my fingernails, I'm going to be using some gloves to protect my fingers and my fingernails from the color that is bound to leach out of my hair. Without further ado, we're going to get started on this video. Let's go! This smells so freaking good. I'm gonna start off by separating my hair into very small parts. I decided to do small parts because the smaller the part, the more focus you can give to each area of your hair, which means you'll have very defined curls. What does it say? The bottle says to take a clump of this product and apply it to damp hair, running it through from the roots all the way to the ends. And that's exactly what I did. Keeping this same motion of putting product in my hand, rubbing it onto my hair, then running my fingers through my hair to saturate all of my strands, making sure I get every little bit and cranny. Did it activate my curls? So I decided that I'm also going to be using this as I am curling jelly because I'm really concerned about my curl pattern popping out the way that I want it. So I've had this for a while. I've never really used it. I didn't like it the first time I used it, but maybe if I use it with the other two products, I'll like it now. Don't mind the condition of it. Like I said, I've had this for a fairly long time. This activation cream though really works. Like my curls is popping. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this definition though? Like, girl, sis, I might like this. Here, I'm just going over my hair with my coconut oil in order to lock in the moisture that I just put into my head from the curl activator cream. Then I move on to putting in the curly jelly, so I do the same process as the moisturizing activator. Baby, she clean. Baby, she clean. Nah. Little baby, she cool. She don't know what to do. Stand around, little baby, she clean. Little baby, she clean. Yeah. Everybody who's watching this, go bump this song. I'm gonna put the link below. It was written by my friend that I know. It really bumps. Like, I'm not saying that just because he's my friend. I'm gonna link the link below. Bump that. You won't regret it. Clean. This is my little baby, she clean. Yeah, yeah.
I got that chip that can drown a ship. Baby ring like I want a chip. Spin the globe, we can take a trip. Tell me you feeling the vibe, the two-seater waiting outside. Is that a little baby you driving me crazy? Gucci, Chanel, woman super well. She a dime, I'ma wish her well. Turn the ex, yeah, wish her well. Pop star lifestyle, might just make it. She's so fine, even better when she naked.
Bro, this smells so freaking good. Like, nah, my hair is about to smell amazing. It's about to smell so amazing. So for the most difficult part of my hair, I started off using the Eco Styler gel and running my fingers through this area of my hair to achieve a curl pattern, but it did not work. So I moved on to using the Demon brush, which I did not like because it just clumped it all together. It didn't really curl it much, and that was a fail. So I tried the sponge brush. Now, this sponge brush just made it worse. It just clumped it up together even more, so that was a fail. Nope, I'm finger curling. I tried just with my fingers. I tried with the Demon brush. I tried with the sponge. Nothing's getting the curl that I want, so I'm gonna finger curl this part. The only negative thing I will say about this wash and go is it is so messy. Because I'm working on wet hair and I'm using gel, it's just sticky and everything is all over the place. Anyways, so I move on to continue curling my hair. For the parts where I don't get the curl that I want, I just finger curled it. Like, look at this, it's getting all in my eye. At this point, I had to use the spray bottle because my hair started to get a little dry.
Perfect.
So this was the definition I was able to achieve with my wash and go. Really, it's a condition and go because I did not wash my hair, remember? I'm fairly okay with what I have right now. I'm just really curious to know what it looks like when it completely dries. I don't want to be walking around looking crazy because my wash and go was a fail. We shall see what happens when it completely dries. I'm so nervous, guys. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. It is an entire day later. My hair is still not even completely dry. The ends are dry. The middle and my roots, not so much. It's a little damp. But overall, I really love this wash and go thing. It was so much easier than finger curling my hair individually, and my curl definition, Ooh, child. Like, what? You see? Like, do you... Do you see? Like, do you see? Like, do you... Ooh! I did not expect it to be this curly. I was really hoping for defined curls, but I did not expect it to be this curly, and I am absolutely in love with this wash and go thing. This might be my new go-to hairstyle. Who knows? But anyhow, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my hair in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, do not be afraid to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not already. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and later, y'all. Hey, and don't forget to follow me on social media so that you can know when new videos are posted. This video has been brought to you by DDNT Entertainment.